Hey squad, welcome back on episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool update right here, and basically what this is a Bluetooth karaoke microphone. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here we do have an image of what the product looks like. If you guys do turn on the side, they do provide some specs and feature about the product. And right here in the back they do provide some specs and feature about the product as well. But this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So inside we do have a box. If you guys do open up, once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So first thing inside they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that we do have the actual product. And they also provide some accessories, so take it all out. So right here you see they do provide a little bag that you can use to hold the microphone and the accessory inside if you guys do want to. And they also have the brand logo. And I love the way how they designed the actual bag because it does feel like a high quality mesh material. So that way the product is breathable when you guys do use it. Next right here we do have the microphone. But before I show you guys the microphone, I want to show you guys everything else inside first. So you see inside they do provide a small little box. If you guys do open up, inside we do have a bunch of cables. So the first cable inside is an aux cable. And the second or last cable is a USB to USB-C cable. So I'm assuming you guys can use that to recharge the product. And that is basically everything that's inside the small little box. Now I'm going to show you guys the actual microphone. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. And you see the way how they designed the product definitely looks like a high quality microphone that you can use for karaoke. So top right here, you see we do have the brand logo. And right here we do have the brand name. And then for the side, you can see we do have a wrapper to protect the LED light when you guys first get it. So that way you won't get any scratches when you guys first use it. If you guys turn to the other side, you can see we do have a bunch of buttons. So you do have a plus and minus button, a power button, a M button, Bluetooth button, and another button right here in the middle. And then right here in the bottom, you see we do have a bunch of outputs. So you do have an aux option to headphone and computer. Right here we do have a button that I'm assuming you can use for the RGB light. And then right here we do have the output for you to plug it in to recharge the product. And if you can see the size of the product is not that big. It's a pretty decent size. And when you guys do feel the microphone, it does feel pretty nice. It does give you guys a very good grip. And it's not too heavy. It's a pretty good weighted microphone. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I should test it out, let's peel off the wrapper inside. This side as well. And now let's plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it before I should turn it on. So if you guys do plug in the cable in the bottom. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here it does light up. So you can see how it is red. So that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. And I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the light will turn off or change a different color. But now let's turn it on to test it out to see how it works. So if you guys do press the power button.
Bluetooth.
And you see how it does turn on. And when you guys do use it, you can see how the side it does light up. And the microphone on here definitely sounds pretty good when you guys do use it. And if you guys are curious about what each different button is for, let me show you guys real quick. So they do provide us all the information right here and also right here as well. So obviously the plus and minus is for you guys to increase and lower the volume. And you guys also have the option to skip the song and go back to the previous song using those two options as well. If you guys press on the M button, let's see what happens. So here is the first option. If you guys press on M,
Professional.
this is professional option. If you guys press on again,
Speech.
now we have speech. So this is the third option. If you guys press on again,
Original sound.
this is original sound. So there's no echo or anything on here. But if you guys press on again,
Karaoke.
this is karaoke option. If you guys can hear that echo in the background. If you guys press the button underneath that, that is basically the vocal option.
Voice canceling.
So that is the voice canceling option. If you guys press on again,
Voice back.
this is voice back. Not sure if I can hear the difference or not, but that is basically what it's for. And the last button on here is basically a Bluetooth option and also work as a TWS option. So if you guys do have two microphones, then turn on TWS option to pair two of them together. So that way one person can use it and the other person can use the other one. And like I mentioned for the bottom part, they do have the LED light button. So if you guys do press on it, you do have the option to change the different lighting on here in terms of the pattern or the different colors that's on here. So if I do bring up close, if I do change the color, this is basically what the product looks like. So there's a lot of different color options on here when you guys do use it. And like I mentioned for the product, it does have like an FM mode option. So the way how I turn it on, you basically want to press the M button for 2 seconds.
FM 87.9.
So that is basically how you guys turn on radio option if you guys want to. So whether if you guys want to use the product as a microphone for singing, or if you guys want to do speech, or if you guys want to use it to make an announcement or something, you definitely have all those options available. And like I mentioned for the product, you do have the option to use it wired or wireless. So if I do unplug it, and we see how it still works when you guys use it wireless as well. But now let's connect it on the Bluetooth to test out the Bluetooth option.
Bluetooth connected.
Alright, so we got connected. Let me play a song on here. So that is basically what the product sounds like when you guys do use it. You guys can hear the audio quality on here definitely sounds pretty good. And then see when we do press the button on here to increase and lower the volume, it definitely does work. But doesn't seem like there's any play and pause button on here, so you probably need to control it on your device or your phone when you guys use it. But if you guys want to skip the song or go back to the previous song, you basically want to long press the plus and minus button. Let me show you what I mean. So I see the product definitely does work and should work pretty well when you guys do use it. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or if you guys want to use it at a party, how you guys want to use it and wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality Bluetooth karaoke microphone that you can use for karaoke, for singing, for doing an announcement, for a speech or anything else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.